I like my women like I like my three-wheelers. From 1983.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex, just flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush.
Found this three-wheeler on Facebook for $300. Got there, it ran for 30 seconds, and the carb shit out or something on it. So we brought it home, put a $25 Amazon carb on there. We needed new cables. Brake cables are stretched out more than your mom, so we needed to replace them with some new ones. Previous owner added this hitch attachment. It's running great now. Still look a little rough, still a little ugly, but it runs great. We're gonna put it through some tests, and we're gonna see what it's all capable of doing. All right, we're gonna see what kind of top speed this thing has. I'm thinking it's around 40, but see what it's got.
I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Don't fear me. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. No squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Don't shade, that's a no.
Just bought this playset for my kids. Loaded up all on my trailer. This is the perfect opportunity to test out the towing capabilities of the three-wheeler. So we're gonna hook the three-wheeler to the trailer, drag it in my backyard, and see if it holds up, see if it breaks, see if it rips in two. We don't know, we're about to find out.
All right, we got about 2,000 pounds hooked up to the rear of this three-wheeler. It's go time.
It won't turn.
Nope.
She's struggling. You're gonna hit the box. Pause. Unreal. I can't believe we just did that with no steering.
Fuck yeah, who needs steering?
Yeah, what an absolute unit. Best $300 we ever spent. Hell yeah. All right, dog, what's next?
Now we gotta make it up the hill.
We're unloaded, now we're gonna try and make it up the hill. Let's see what happens, maybe we get some steering back. I'm gonna stand back here on the back of the trailer, try and get some weight on that front end. Here we go, boys. Give her hell. Back to first. It ain't gonna make it. Nope.
I don't know if we're gonna make it.
I don't know either. Fucking just keep her pinned in first. Hell yeah. Oh, the trailer digging?
Yep.
No. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Oh shit.
Good thing I didn't change my light out yet.
Rip. Oh, to smack it?
Yeah, but that was the one that died. I got a new taillight to put on there.
Word. Yeah, too steep. She's catching back here, boys. Alright, we're gonna have to try and go back up the other way. The tail's on the ground, that's what caught. Because the trailer wheels aren't even on the ground. That's the problem.
You know part of the other problem?
What?
Left the parking brake.
You fucking idiot!
Yeah, we stuck.
I'll grab the mower and yank her out.
Ready. Hold on a second. Back. Hey! Hold on a second. Oh.
Hell yeah, brother!
Well, there's a will, there's a way.
It's almost like we know what we're doing.
Jackknifed her a little bit.
You're gonna scratch my trailer.
You're gonna scratch my three-wheeler.
All right, boys, take two. We had to drag it out with the mower. We got it reset. We're gonna see if we can go back up the hill again. Here we go.
Yeah, I just gotta make sure to take my parking brake off this time.
It's a bad habit. We leave it on every time.
Yeah, I may have wrecked the brakes. Who knows?
Oh. Gotta put it in gear, bud.
Let's test if can I back a trailer.
Almost.
Maybe I can shift into second.
No,
Maybe
it'll bog it out.
yeah, maybe. Second gear is pretty low gear too.
I mean, we can try it. Oh. Come on, guy.
Oh.
Give her, give her, give her. Watch out for the trees. Oh. Yeah, who knew that hauling a car hauler with a three-wheeler wouldn't work?
Yeah, I mean, she's almost as strong as a semi, but I guess not quite.
Yeah.
Well, three-wheeler could not pull it up this steep hill, so we had to go grab one of our trucks. Old GMT 800 to save the day.
I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Ay. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Oh, they don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my I got bad intentions.
Hell yeah! Hey, stop doing all the good ones going away from us.
I can show you the coast. Up in the shots, so they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget what created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches were soldiers are made.
Oh, well, the brake lever's fucking hanging.
That's happening right in the foreskin every time.
Bait in the penis.
We're shot, boys. All right, boys, we're doing another test. We got this sketchy ass hill climb. It's public land by us. Everybody goes off-roading here. So we're gonna take the three-wheeler. We're gonna try and bomb it up this hill. Here in Wisconsin, it has been ridiculous rain 24/7 for weeks. This summer sucks. It's like living in Seattle. I just wanna fucking kill myself. We about to find out if this thing can do any off-roading at all. Let's rip, boys. Big ruts? Hell yeah, baby. Hammer down! Let it go, let it go. You all right? Let it go, let it go.
God damn it.
Saying it, saying it! There we go! Fuck yeah, baby!
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. I'm in my car in the giddy up. Secure the bag.
We were off to a little bit of sketchiness there, but he made it. We sent it the second time, rolled it the first time. Lars, you got a bad habit of rolling this motherfucker.
Yeah, only like the third time.
Yeah.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up.
Fuck.
I'm in my car in the giddy up. Secure the bag, y'all get the bounce. I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to sleep, I can't say none. Try to take one.
Can't hail the bug.
One, two, three, go!
I remember nights I was poured up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
I think I lost my vape in your yard. You'll find it with your mower. Lars is going to get his helmet so you can fucking rip the jump. Hell yeah, baby.
It's about to get real sketchy.
I know, I love it.
It's about to get sketchy.
Shit, you ready, big dog?
Safety third.
I've never seen any three-wheeler videos so good.
That's what I'm hoping for.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
You cracked the frame!
First one's a little too hard.
Yeah.
Second one's a little too soft.
Yeah.
Gotta figure out just right.
Hell yeah, how's your back?
No, my back's good.
Your
My
knees?
are-
Oh.
I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
There's money!
Just a three-wheeler natural.
I know.
Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the buzz. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bo Crush. I got, don't fear none. My life doesn't take no calls. Things like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass cut down. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, sweet.
You're dialed on that thing, bud.
Say, once you hit it a few times, like you said, you just kind of know.
What it needs.
Yeah.
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 Hell yeah.
That's $300 I ever spent.
Fuck yeah, brother.
I'm in my car and the
Seat bracket's gonna need some work.
Oh shit.
see the drippy, I lift it up. I'm in my car and the secure the bag, yeah, I get the buzz.
For having no suspension, it looks really smooth when you land.
Yeah, it's not bad. Just like my wife, she takes the abuse, 40 years old, it don't matter.
We got a killer deal on this thing, boys. That's a wrap for this one. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you watching. We got a bunch of cool projects coming up. I just picked up another smoking deal off Marketplace that I think is our coolest project yet. So stay tuned for that one. Click subscribe, click the notification bell so you can see that one when it drops. Stay safe, stay healthy, eat all your peaches and pizza. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.